Bunny brought her some eggs. Oh, pretty eggs. That's the one. And it even has, do you know your?
Oh, look.
Oh, look, you got 2 Easter eggs. That Easter Bunny. Oh, my God. Oh, my golly. Look at there. That Easter Bunny gave you. Oh, golly. What is that? Ooh. What does that do? Easter Bunny, what does that do? Huh? Look at that Easter Bunny he left you. Did you see that Easter Bunny? Look at the big bunny rabbit he's left you.
You've seen any more eggs?
Yeah. Oh, an egg. Whoop. An egg.
A purple egg.
Oh,
You got to put them in the basket. Put them in the basket.
what's in that basket? Oh, look how pretty there. What is that, that Easter
A
Bunny?
necklace.
A necklace, huh? You said her face.
Look around the house. Maybe there's more eggs.
An egg.
An Easter egg, golly. What is it? Something in that Easter egg? What is it? What is that? Is it candy?
Look around. See if you can find some more eggs. Did she leave you any more eggs at Easter Bunny?
Open up.
Oh, it,
Candy.
oh boy, candy.
Hey, Leanna. Leanna. The Easter Bunny leave you more eggs?
Oh, golly. Look at all those Easter eggs. Oh, that Easter Bunny must have been busy.
Egg.
Has the egg on it, yeah. Put them in the basket.
Oh, another basket. Oh, golly, what's in that basket? Huh?
Candy.
Candy egg. Oh, some candy eggs.
No, paper.
Paper.
We'll eat candy later. How about we have breakfast first? But let's see what else, if there's any more eggs. Did he hide any more eggs?
Oh, that was a busy bunny rabbit. Oh, look at all the Easter eggs.
Door.
Huh?
It has Dora on it.
That one has Dora on it. Oh, that Easter bunny must know.
Go put them in the basket.
Oh my God, look at all them Easter
There's
eggs.
more.
There's more. There's more. Oh golly, that Easter bunny was busy.
Go put them in the basket. Put them on the couch.
Oh boy, that Easter bunny must love you. Put it on. Yeah, put it on.
That's cracked.
It's cracked.
Did it crack? That's okay. You can eat it, eat what's inside, huh? Oh, I think it's candy inside. Oh my golly. Oh my golly, my gosh.
I have banana too. Banana.
Is there something in there too? Huh?
Let Mama see. Is there something in there? There is. Go put them in the basket.
Maybe we'll open them up and find out what's in there. Okay. Is there any more Easter eggs? Oh, I think I see some. I think I see some more Easter eggs. You better get all those Easter eggs that Easter Bunny left you. My golly, look at all those Easter eggs.
There's more.
Oh, there's some more.
There's more.
Look what Dora on it. Oh, nice. One lip for
Leanna, can you say Happy Easter?
No, crayon.
Can you say bye?
crayon.
Say bye-bye to the camera.